Hi there, today I'm going to be showing you the U-Grip Pro triple shoe mount grip. So details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. So let me show you the actual product itself. So it's U-shaped grip and it actually has 3 mount positions up here at the top to allow you to fit items like a microphone, a video light, and at the bottom you've got an attachment to attach a camera. So you're not limited to just attaching a camera on this. If I turn this around just to show, if you had the bracket for a smartphone, you can attach a smartphone, cameras, and obviously triple cold shoe mount, meaning you can attach these additional attachments around there. So I pull it out of the actual packaging. I already took the plastic wrapper off. These are the triple mounts on there, just to show. So obviously you can slide either your microphone or video light onto there. And in terms of comfort, quite nicely designed ergonomically, that you can just grip it like so. Very light in feel actually, no real weight to it. Build quality seems quite good, quite solid, the actual bend itself. And obviously you've got this adjuster to help you attach the camera onto there. So you can put it into a variety of different positions. Okay, so next let me show you the actual weight of the item. Let's see, if I lift it up, you can see 0.27 kilograms, so very light. Okay, so next let me show you how to mount a standard camera. It's just a point and click camera onto the U-Grip Pro. So I've got the attachment here at the bottom. Take the camera's got the hole there. And there you go, simple as that. So very helpful if you're taking low down shots, so you're not bending your knees or anything, you can just hold it in a steady position. And obviously the nice comfortable grip can help if you're doing things like panning shots or anything like that, or even things like beach walks, for example, that would be a good use for it. Versatility wise, obviously you can use it at different angles, bend it around. Let me take the actual lens out just to show it full size. It's very comfortable, nicely padded. Probably the best position is this position to hold it in. And just to show, pretty cool. And again, if I loosen it just to show, right to the back, depending on your camera size really, you could have it like so. So it'd be useful if you're using something like this, if the camera had added stabilization. The product itself doesn't provide any additional stability. So either you're gonna have to use very slow motion as you're moving it around just to avoid too much movement, and obviously turn on any sort of enhanced stabilization you have on the actual camera. Okay, so next I'm gonna show the GoPro Hero 6 attached to this. So you can attach any GoPro camera or action camera as long as it's got one of these attachments. So this doesn't actually come with the U-Grip Pro. I've got this separately, part of another package I've got. And if I do that, okay, simple as that. It's attached on, and obviously maneuverability wise, very convenient. Just be able to hold it like so. And again, I'd recommend turning on the internal stabilization if it has any on your action camera or GoPro, and using that in conjunction with this so you get some really nice steady shots. And again, you can get some low down shots as you're walking along perhaps. Okay, so next I'm going to show how to attach a smartphone to the U-Grip Pro. So to enable you to do this, you're going to have to get an additional adapter. So this particular type. So it comes in a package with 2 items, an actual adapter and another attachment to enable you to attach to GoPro equivalent accessories. So in terms of sizing, it does expand out and it can be compressed down. So in terms of maximum phone size, I've probably taken the actual bolt to the maximum size, and it can go up to around 9 centimeters. So I've got my phone here. Let me place it within there. So it just sits quite nicely like so, and it's padded at the top and bottom. And then you just tighten this up to secure it, and then you can attach the phone by the hole at the bottom. So obviously that's adjustable as well, and it fits nicely depending on the size of your phone just in the area of the U-Grip Pro. So obviously you can film like so, or just push it straight out and you're walking along like this, the camera in this position. So let me show you the other use for this particular adapter. So if we take this additional part it comes with, screw it onto the bottom, and then we get, for example, a selfie stick, something that you'd use for a GoPro or an action camera. Okay, so there you go. Attached onto the selfie stick, and you can use other GoPro accessories on this. Okay, so now we're going to show it being attached to a camcorder. So much bulkier product obviously, and just to show, probably want to measure this before you purchase it just to make sure it fits. So it wouldn't fit this particular one obviously with the battery attached, but you can fit it at a slight angle just to show. If I put it slightly off and then tighten it, there you go. And again, quite a comfortable way of holding it just to show. And again, you can spin it around. If I adjust it even more to the side, there you go. Fits in quite nicely with the screen, just to show. And again, you could be holding it like so. So there you go. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.